Pumice, an igneous rock by Ben. The color of pumice can range from white to gray to tan to blue to green to black to brown to a cream, which is kind of like that whipped cream you spray onto your waffles. The texture of pumice is rough, kind of bumpy, and it feels like it's scraping away dead skin, which is a use of it, but we'll talk about that later. The streak color of pumice. There is actually no streak color to pumice, which is common among many rocks and minerals. Also, to find streak, you take your rock or mineral and you scrape it on a porcelain streak tile as shown in the picture. We are now in the natural habitat of pumice and the steel nail. As you can see, the steel nail is pointed at the pumice as if it's to attack. Just kidding, it's the hardness of pumice. On the Mohs scale of hardness, it's 5.8 to 6.1. This is harder than a steel nail, which is pretty tough, if you ask me. Now we'll talk about the luster of pumice. Pumice is a very dull rock, which is common to it being formed from frothy lava. Now here's the question, does pumice have a cleavage or fracture? Pumice has a cleavage because of the fact that it breaks along even planes, and it has no preferred direction of breaking. Before I get too far ahead of myself, you must be asking, wait, is pumice made from lava or magma? It's lava because lava is basically just magma on Earth's surface, and pumice forms above ground. Now we ask ourselves, what minerals make up pumice? Well, feldspar, augite, zirco, and hornblende all make up pumice. They're melted down into magma, then erupted from volcanoes as lava, which then cools with gas bubbles inside to create pumice. Now we'll talk about some other substances that make pumice. We already know that lava is those melted minerals that we talked about earlier. And we have the gas particles because the lava is very frothy when it cools, and that creates pumice. What are the processes that form pumice? Well, first you have to have rock that is melted into lava, and then it has to cool and solidify into pumice. Also, old rock is melted back into lava. So it's like recycling. Center. Now here comes the big reason why you're here. You're wondering, what is pumice used for? The answer is a lot. First off, it's used as an abrasive in pencil erasers, which helps you really get rid of the pencil markings on your paper. It's also used as an abrasive in skin exfoliating products, which basically means that it's going to help you get dead skin off your hands and feet. It's also used as a fine abrasive for polishing, which helps your wooden furniture really shine. It's also used as a traction material on snow-covered roads, which will help your car from slipping around and around. It's also used as a traction enhancer in tire rubber, which helps your tires grip the road. It's also used as an absorbent in kitty litter, which will help absorb the odor, and it will help to keep your house from stinking. Pumice is also used as a fine-grained filter media. Pumice is also used as a lightweight filler for pottery clay. Here's a fun fact. The name pumice is derived from the Latin word pumix, meaning foam, which explains the air holes in pumice. So what do you think? Isn't pumice the best rock around? Bye!